The passage suggests that several scientific organizations in the United States probably thought Peck A. was foolish, B. needed advice, C. deserved support, or D. wanted attention. In order to answer this question, we need information from the fourth paragraph, which I have posted here. Here we see mention of scientific organizations in the United States. The text tells us that Peck returned to the United States to raise money. She received help from many scientific organizations. Because the text tells us that many scientific organizations gave Peck help when she was raising money, we can infer that they donated to her, whether monetarily or by lending her the snowsuit worn by Admiral Peary on his trip to the North Pole. Regardless of how they helped Peck, the answer that would best fit in this context is they probably thought she deserved support, as otherwise they wouldn't have donated to her. Based on this, we can mark C, deserved support, as our final answer.